Namaste everyone. A very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated across India to mark the birth anniversary of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan since 1962. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan served as the Vice President of India and he was also the second President of India. One of the things which you probably might not know about him is the fact that he was a very distinguished scholar and also did a lot of valuable work for our country. And for this work, he was nominated for the Nobel Prize for Literature 16 times and another 11 times for the Nobel Peace Prize. I am Dr. Soumya Shri Mayur Kaku and work as a child psychiatrist. Today in my video on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to talk about one of our greatest teachers. Our teachers are our children. I want to talk about how it's really important for us to observe our children and all the kids around because we have a lot to learn from them. A very important lesson that we can learn from our kids is that we can start fresh every day. Whether we had a bad day, whether we got hurt, if our dreams were not fulfilled, if our hopes were not met, we could still start fresh every day. As adults, we also tend to worry about a lot of things. We tend to worry about the future, we tend to worry about our present problems, which children do not do. They do not worry about what's going to happen the next second, that evening, or the next day. This is also accompanied by the fact that children do not judge others. They accept everybody the way they are and they just have lots of fun. Children also teach us that we have to laugh every day. Children teach us that we have to make what we do an activity filled with lots of fun and enjoy every moment, every kind of work, and every minute that we spend on this planet. So, we should learn from our children to have lots of fun and enjoy our days. Children also teach us that we have to be very active. Children do not honestly prefer to sit in front of the television, sit down in front of the mobile phone, be bothered about the day-to-day problems, but they actually are out there having lots of fun with their friends and playing and being active throughout the day. They do not sit down on the sofa, lie down on the bed and go on and on about their problems in their head, but just get out there, jump, enjoy, and have lots of fun and are very, very active. If you have observed a tiny baby, probably who is around a year old, you can actually see how flexible they are because they're constantly on their feet. They're constantly learning every new second. They're picking up things, they're extremely curious, and they are trying to seek for more things around them. That is what we have to do all our lives, and that is a very key take-home message from our kids. To be physically active and to be very curious about our surroundings and to make sure that learning never stops. Kids also teach us that scars are something to be proud of. All of us fall, but we all get up too. Instead of pondering about how difficult it was and that we were scarred for our lives, it's better to get over those scars, learn from those experiences, and move on and enjoy. Kids also teach us to adapt to change. If you take a child to a new place, to meet a new person, maybe to a family function or to a birthday party, or if you're traveling with your child on a train or a bus, they make sure that they engage themselves and they adapt to that change. They also tend to find happiness in very small things, like observing how beautiful the bus curtain is, or looking at wonderful things which they can see on the road, looking at how the wind is blowing, looking at how the raindrops are falling, whatever it might be. Kids love to adapt to change, and that's a very key thing which we kind of overcome as we grow older and become adults. So I think it's really important for us to learn to be adaptable to change throughout our lives, and that will kind of help us solve many of our problems. Kids also teach us not to worry about what others think. Kids are not really bothered unless it's really major and some event happens in their life, whether other person is judging them, looking at how how they dress or how they talk or how they think, how they react to a particular situation. They just have a lot of fun and they don't really think about what others think, what kind of opinion others have about them. So that's another key message. End of it, I think we should learn to make lots of friends, keep in touch with our friends, have lots of fun, not be bothered about day-to-day hurdles, adapt to change and enjoy our lives just the way our kids are doing. So as adults, we don't keep complaining about how wonderful our childhood was and that we can continue the spirit of childhood throughout our lives. So I think children are our best teachers, and I hope this video was helpful to bring back a lot of your childhood memories and to some extent motivating to change some of our behaviors and do it like the kids' way. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. Dhanyavada.